In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily minify JavaScript or CSS for your Wix website. Whether you're building a site from scratch or just looking to optimize your existing one, reducing the size of your JavaScript or CSS can significantly boost your website's performance. So let's dive right in. To start, I've got a sample piece of code that we'll be working with today. The goal is to make this code lightweight and highly optimized. To accomplish this, we're going to utilize a free online tool called Minify.org. It's a straightforward, user-friendly option that can make a world of difference in your site's load times. Here's how the process works. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Minify.org. Once you're on the site, you'll notice that it offers you a choice between minifying JavaScript or CSS. Go ahead and select the language that corresponds with your code. Next, you'll see a text box where you can paste your code. Simply copy the code from your Wix website that you want to minify and paste it right there into the box on minify.org. Once your code is in the box, you're ready for the next step. Now you just need to click on the Minify button. It's as simple as that. Instantly, you'll see both the original and the optimized minified version of your code displayed on the page. It's truly amazing how much cleaner and more efficient your code looks once it's minified. After you have the minified version of your code, you'll need to copy it. This is the version you'll be using to enhance your Wix site. With your minified code copied, it's time to head over to your Wix editor. Once you're in the editor, you need to search for the embed option. Select Embed HTML from the list of options that appear. This feature allows you to add custom code to your Wix site. Simply paste your minified code directly into the Embed HTML section and update it. And just like that, you've successfully added the minified version of your JavaScript or CSS to your Wix website, leading to a faster and more responsive experience for your visitors. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more content that will help you optimize your website. Your support means a lot and helps me bring you even more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy coding!